Oh wow, that's big CDs on you.
It's fine.
I'm strangulated.
Guardian? Yeah?
Yeah, I got it, dude.
Long ago. I think they're offensive. They're on me again.
Holding that DK for you. Oh my god, he's immune. Bad.
They're gonna try to burst him again, by the way. He's just spamming blows, that's fine. Just keep me up. Just keep me full. They will try to burst me.
Okay.
Element?
Element.
No, no. Did they have a rogue? What did they have? Druid.
Do it.
Boomkin. Oh crap. Is it Boomkin?
It's 3 melee, or 3 DPS.
Is it 3D? No, that's Resto. There's Earth Shield.
Oh yeah, I see it. There it is.
You want me to
Be a
pull
rogue.
Shaman in? So you
Oh, it's a
no,
druid, never mind.
Yeah, it's a Boomkin. I'm gonna pull him in, you can dot him off. You already trinketed. Popping CDs on his ass. Pummeling him. Silencing him.
Yeah, I'm feared now.
Okay. Oh god, oh god, oh god, this is bad, this is bad. I gotta get out of the open. Where are you, Rock?
Reborn.
Rock, come back here with me. Rock, come back here with me. Keep going.
I'm poly Hex.
I'm on the Boomkin at the moment. I'm back on the Shaman. I'm gonna pet stun him here. Pet stun.
I'm Cyclone.
I'm
Trying to get out.
Can't do anything about Cyclone.
Yeah, I know.
It's all good. Just
Letting you know.
Oh, okay. Shoot. Now they're on me.
Or LOS them. You're god at LOS. It's LOS them. If they're on you, that gives us a lot of time to kill this guy. Let's just finish off this Shaman here. I'm gonna strangulate him. Strang. 2 seconds, strang's off. Oh god.
Where are you?
Pummeled. I'm fine. Don't worry, I can still sack my guy.
Dang it.
Cyclone now.
Going on the Boomkin here. You were enjoying Uh-oh.